If you want to refurnish your home, but do it at a fraction of the cost, both inside and out, well, all you have to do is go to Northeast Factory Direct. That's where we're at right now with their owner, Alex Nemeth. Alex, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
All right, how'd you start this business, this furniture business?
I literally started it out of my roommate's garage 13 years ago with one dining room set.
And now you're in a much larger garage, filled with a lot more than just a nice high-end dining set. What do you have here?
We have hot tubs, mattresses, we have bunk beds, sectionals, theater seating, bedroom sets. Anything that typically costs you a lot more at a high rent retail place, we sell for a lot less.
Is that why you're able to keep the cost down so low? Is the overhead really?
Yeah, well, we buy everything by the truckload. Number two is, our warehouse here costs about a tenth of what it would cost in one of the high rent retail districts of our city.
You're not saving hundreds. You're saving thousands of dollars. So give us some examples.
You could get a 6-person hot tub fully loaded with all the bells and whistles for like $3,900 that would typically cost you $6,000 to $7,000. This is a good example here. This bedroom set complete the bed, the dresser, the mirror, the chest, the nightstand, and the mattress and box spring for right around $1,000, and it's all wood.
So what you're saying is essentially you're just buying the mattress and getting a free bedroom set if you were going at one of those high-rent big box stores, right?
Exactly.
Which is absolutely phenomenal.
Yeah.
There are no warehouse fees, right?
Nope.
So when you come here thinking you're going to spend a lot, you'll spend a little, you'll end up buying a lot more furniture than what you first on planned, right?
Yep.
All right. 2 locations, West 140th and Eastlake. If it's not in the warehouse, it's on your website, northeastfactorydirect.com. I've sent my family, my friends, and my neighbors, and they're absolutely thrilled, and so will you. Alex, thanks again.
Thank you.